Welcome to today's lesson on cancer. This lesson will help you to gain deeper insights into how the body functions and what happens when things go wrong. Today, we will explore the definition of cancer and the impact it has on the body. Following that, we will distinguish between benign and malignant tumours, two key classifications of abnormal cell growths, by examining their characteristics and potential dangers. We will also focus on the risk factors associated with cancer and consider the genetic factors that may also contribute to the development of some types of cancer. You have already learnt about the structure of cells and their division by mitosis. This provides the context you need to understand how normal cellular processes can become disrupted. You have also learnt that a risk factor is any attribute, characteristic, or exposure that increases the likelihood of a person developing a disease. Knowledge of cancer and its risk factors is crucial for developing effective treatment strategies and supporting efforts in its prevention and management. To start, let's define what cancer is. Cancer is a disease that arises from uncontrolled cell growth and division. Normally, cells in our bodies grow and divide in a controlled way to replace old or damaged cells. However, sometimes mutations or changes in the DNA in a cell cause it to grow and divide uncontrollably. This can lead to the formation of a tumour, which is a mass of abnormal cells. It's important to note that not all tumours are cancerous. Tumours can be categorised into two main types: benign and malignant. Benign tumours are non-cancerous growths. They have a few key characteristics. Benign tumours are abnormal cells that are contained within a specific area, usually enclosed in a membrane. They do not spread to other parts of the body. Benign tumours are also generally considered less serious because they are localised. In contrast, malignant tumours are cancerous and much more dangerous. Malignant tumours can invade and destroy surrounding tissues. Cells from malignant tumours can break away and spread to other parts of the body through the bloodstream or lymphatic system. This spread can lead to the formation of secondary tumours in other organs or tissues, which is known as metastasis. There are several risk factors that increase the likelihood of getting cancer. It is important to understand that anyone can develop cancer, whether or not they are exposed to these risk factors. However, there is an observed correlation between exposure to these risk factors and cancer. Risk factors can be broadly categorized into lifestyle factors and genetic factors. Let's focus on lifestyle risk factors first. Smoking is a significant risk factor and is linked to cancers of the lung, mouth, throat, and stomach. Cigarette smoke contains carcinogens, which are substances that can cause mutations in DNA, leading to cancerous growths. High fat and high sugar diets can increase the risk of cancers such as bowel, liver, and kidney cancer. Excess body weight can alter hormone levels and immune system function, which may contribute to cancer development. Exposure to ultraviolet or UV radiation from the sun or tanning beds can lead to skin cancer. UV radiation causes damage to the DNA in skin cells. This leads to mutations over time. Moreover, some types of virus can disrupt the normal cell cycle, causing cells to divide uncontrollably. For example, HPV, the human papillomavirus, is linked to cervical cancer, and hepatitis B and C viruses are associated with liver cancer. These viruses can insert their genetic material into host cells, potentially causing the mutations that can lead to cancer. Now, let's look at genetic risk factors. Sometimes a person can inherit faulty genes that increase their susceptibility to cancer. For example, mutations in the BRCA genes significantly raise the risk of breast and ovarian cancers. These genes normally produce proteins that help to repair damaged DNA, but when they are mutated, they fail to stop the abnormal cell division. It's important to note that cancer risk tends to increase with age. As we grow older, our cells accumulate damage from various sources, and the body's ability to repair this damage diminishes. Advances in screening and diagnostic techniques have improved early detection and treatment of various cancers. Early detection means identifying cancer before it spreads, which increases the chances of successful treatment. Improved treatments, including targeted therapies and immunotherapies, have significantly enhanced survival rates. These have the greatest chance of success if they are used to treat cancers that have already been detected at early stages. To summarize, cancer is the uncontrolled division of cells. Understanding the difference between benign and malignant tumours is crucial in grasping how cancer develops and spreads. While benign tumours are confined and generally not life-threatening, malignant tumours are invasive and cancerous. This means that they pose significant health risks. Recognizing these differences helps us to appreciate the importance of early detection, as well as the need for ongoing research in cancer treatment. Additionally, we have covered risk factors that are associated with higher rates of cancer development. While anyone can develop cancer, understanding these risk factors allows us to make informed choices to lower our risk. Regular screenings and advancements in medical treatments are essential for early detection and improving survival rates. By making healthier lifestyle choices and understanding genetic predispositions, the risk of cancer can be reduced.
Watch the rest of the GCSE biology course at Sophos Education.